it's Kim from Oh My Vintage. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's craft video, I'm going to craft with these cute little bamboo baskets that I thrifted. I think I'm going to embellish them with some of these little trucks that I found. I'm going to just maybe unwind them and just let them hang on the baskets. And then I think I might also add probably those glitter pumpkins inside of there. Just add a little sparkle or something. Now I'm still deciding if I want to use the orange stuffing that I have or just the garland I was using, because that is pretty big. So let me see. So I'm going to start to just add the stuffing first. I'll figure out what I choose in a second. So I think I'm gonna just use this the garland that I've been using for all of my autumn projects, because I like how it really stands out and it kind of looks like apples and apples, like more like red and orange leaves in there. So I'm going to stuff these into each of the baskets. I don't even think I really have to glue them down because they feel kind of snug in there already. So I'm just gonna snip it off, off of each one, and I will be right back after I assemble all of them. So I stuffed all of these cute little bamboo baskets with the little with the burgundy and orange leaves, and I'm going to just add a orange glitter pumpkin to them. These are just adds so much nice sparkle to it, so it's like a little pumpkin basket, like a gift basket. So I'm gonna glue all of these into each basket, and then we will add the little trucks in the front. So I add the cute little glitter pumpkins to these little woven baskets, straw baskets. I really like how they're popping out against the neutral bamboo there. Now what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the twist from these little pickup trucks, and it looks like I don't know if someone made this or it was already made like this with the sunflowers, but I'm going to add them to each basket. I think I'm going to try to put it in the front here and twist it somehow. So let me untwist these and speed this up for you. Try to put this in the front somehow. It's okay if it's just hanging off a little bit, and then we're going to put it back through the hole. Okay, I was able to get it back around the hole, so I'm just gonna let it kind of hang here, and then I'm going to twist this around. I don't know if you'll be able to see it with my lighting, but I will fast forward this part. And there it is. Very cute for fall. I love it. It's perfect. You know, everyone thinks of those pickup trucks with the pumpkins or apples, and I think it's a nice little touch to add to your decor. If you just want a little bit, you can add these to your shelves. So let me finish doing these two other ones and I will show you the end product. And here is the end product. I will show you each one. This one had like a big, this is mad big. This I think it's supposed to be wheat, or right, I think it's wheat, yes. And there's a sunflower, and then the first one I did, and then there was a red one. So I thought that was really cute. Just a little bit of fall in your home decor. I will show a picture of how these all turned out and let you know if they're still available. But I had a lot of fun with this one. Very quick and simple. Let me know which color was your favorite in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!